In a Wednesday rant posted to Twitter, Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene, Republican Georgia, called to arrest Alvin Bragg, the local district attorney in Manhattan who observers expect could soon bring a criminal case against Trump for falsification of business records. The Congresswoman's tweet accused the district attorney of hiding hundreds of pages of exculpatory evidence, a notion that it seems originates at least in part with Robert Costello, a lawyer and ally to Trump who recently testified to the grand jury hearing evidence in Bragg's probe. The woman who booed President Joe Biden from the House floor accused Bragg of pursuing an innocent former president. Note how Greene used the word former. That suggests even she did not believe the former president's big lie that he was duly elected in 2020. The Georgia Congresswoman who was kicked off all her House committee assignments last term called for the DA to be held accountable, also dubiously claiming that DA Bragg was trying to incite civil unrest. But perhaps, the Congresswoman was simply trying to incite members of her own mega party into civil unrest, that is, the ones who were not in jail. She was providing what could be used as a preemptive excuse for violence, should such a thing emerge. With instances like, of course, the Capitol riot and a later incident when a Trump fanatic tried to storm a local office of the FBI after the agency raided Mar-a-Lago, there's already a precedent, and in very direct terms, Greene, Trump, and others continue stumping for the violent criminals who joined the assault on the Capitol in 2021. On Twitter Wednesday, Greene said, "Now it's time to arrest Manhattan Alvin Bragg for prosecutorial misconduct after hiding hundreds of pages of exculpatory evidence. Bragg is on the verge of indicting an innocent former president and top presidential candidate against the opposing ruling party. Bragg is breaking the law and trying to incite civil unrest with his Soros-funded political war. Hold him accountable." Unfortunately, former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, Democrat California, is no longer able to reprimand Greene for her comments as much as previously possible.